So are you missing some payments happening through your payment gateway and then you have to check it manually? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to see get instant Google Chat alerts for new Razorpay payments. So I'm running an online business and I'm collecting all my payments using Razorpay. I want that whenever there is a payment success or a payment capture, I should notify my team on Google Chat Hangout. Now doing this manually will consume a lot of my time, and that's why I've completely automated this entire process using Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Razorpay and Google Chat Hangout. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection in such a manner that whenever I'm going to receive a new payment from Razorpay, I'm automatically going to notify my team on Google Chat Hangout. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process, then let me take you all to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm adding all the Razorpay payments details to my Google Chat Hangout and notifying my team. So for this, I'm simply going to create integration between Razorpay and Google Chat Hangout using Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. On the top right corner, we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUBPC to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly purchase. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and I need to select my workflow builder. We have this new beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible one. Then we have this classic, which is a stable and a familiar approach. I'll select this new beta and then I'll name this workflow as Get Instant Google Chat Alerts for New Razorpay Payments, and now I'm going to select my folder. Now these are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select it as Razorpay Automations and then click on Create. So here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I need to enter my trigger application. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever I receive a new payment from Razorpay, my team gets automatically notified on Google Chat Hangout, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new payment, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking Razorpay, and following this trigger application in my action application, I will take Google Chat Hangout. Here in my trigger application, let me take Razorpay. And in my trigger event, I'm going to select it as payment captured and then click on connect. So now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Razorpay for which a webhook URL is provided to me. And this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Razorpay with Pabbly Connect. I'm going to follow the help desk given below and build this connection. For that, I'm going to open my Razorpay. And over here, I'm on the app dashboard of Razorpay. You can see that I'm in test mode. Now you have to follow the same process which I'm going to follow to build this connection. On the left hand side where we can see all these options, we have to go towards the developers, and then we have to go towards the webhooks on the top. We have to click on this add new webhook, and then we have to enter this webhook URL which I'm provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow to this particular field, and I have to enter a secret, after which I have to select this active event. So the active event is this payment captured. Whenever the payment will be captured, this workflow is going to get triggered. I'm going to click on this create webhook, and here webhook saved successfully. If I go back towards my workflow, you can see this waiting for webhook response. So now I need to do a test submission in order to capture the webhook response here in this workflow. In order to do this test submission, I'm going to open my Razorpay and I'm going to do a payment. For that, on the left hand side, I have all these options where I'm going to click on this payment pages. And here, let's suppose I want to get this black t-shirt. I'm going to copy the link, paste it in a new tab. And as this opens, I'm going to enter some dummy details. So here, let's suppose my email address is latest@pabblytudes.com. Then I'm going to enter my phone number as this. Then I'm going to enter my full name as latest lead, then the city as Bhopal, then the pin code as this. I'm going to click on this pay and then I'm going to select my payment method. So I'm going to do the payment with the help of this UPI. I'm going to enter my UPI. After that, I'm going to click on this verify and pay. Let's wait till the payment is completed. So here it is confirming the payment. Let's wait for a few seconds. And here the payment is successful. So we have done the payment of rupees 500 for the black t-shirt. And I should have captured all these details in my workflow, which I have just filled. Let me open my workflow here. And we have captured the response 10 seconds ago, which means as soon as we have done this payment. So if I scroll down, I have all these details. The name is latest lead, phone number is this, pin code is this, then the email address is latest@pabblytuge.com, city is Bhopal, and we have captured the rest of the details. Now here you see that I have done the payment of rupees 500, but I have received this 50,000 over here. Now this is because JSON does not accept the decimal value, and we can format this later in our workflow. So here that's why we have received this 50,000. Now here as soon as we have received this response, we can see the connection setup is working fine, and now whenever there will be new payment, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new payment, I want to add that or send that to my Google Chat Hangout. I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in my action application, I'll search for Google Chat Hangout. In my action event, I'm going to select as create message and then click on connect. So now I need to enter this chat webhook URL. This is a required field. And to get this, I have to open my space. So this is the space which I've created by the name Razorpay Payments. I'm going to click on this, and from here, I'm going to go towards this apps and integration. From here, I'm going to go towards this webhooks, and then I'm simply going to click on this add webhook. Here, I'm going to name it as test, and I'm going to enter this avatar URL. To get this avatar URL, I'm going to go back towards my workflow, click on the hyperlink given in this help desk, and I will be landed towards the forum page of Pabbly. Here you see that for avatar URL, enter this. So I'm going to copy and paste this over there. So after pasting this, I simply have to save this. And you see a webhook URL is provided to me. I'm simply going to copy this webhook URL, copy link and paste it over here. And in this field, I'm going to enter the message. So here I'm going to enter the message as, hello team, we have received a new payment, name, payment details. Now here in this payment, I need to enter the 500 amount which I have received, but in this response, I've received 50,000. First, let's format that. I'm going to save this step. I'm going to cross this. I'm going to click on this add new action step. In my action application, I'm going to search for number formatter by Pabbly. In my action event, I'm going to select it as perform math operation and then click on connect. In this numbers, I'm going to map this. Now, if you are an existing user, you already know the importance of mapping, but if you are a new user, we should not enter any detail like this manually, because this is going to create a static field and we want to create a dynamic field such that whenever we receive a new response, that gets changed with the new response. So over here, we are going to map this. To map any detail, we have to click on the field, click on this Razorpay, which is the previous trigger step from where we have received the response, and we are going to enter. So we need to format this particular amount. I'm going to separate this with the help of comma and divide this by 100. In the operations, I'm going to select divide. So 50,000 divided by 100, it is going to give me 500. I'm going to click on save and send test request, and here we have received this response 500. I'm going to map this. So I'm going to click on this Razorpay and map the name of this person, which was latest lead. Then the payment was done of rupees 500. So I'm going to click on this field and then click on this number formatter, map this 500. And in this details, I'm going to enter. If you want, you can enter the phone number separately, or if you want, you can enter the address. So here I'm going to enter the email address and the address of this person, which is this. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even when you receive the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. After entering all these details, I'm going to click on save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. And here we have received the response, and this response is a positive one. I'll open my Google Chat Hangout space and check whether I have received this message there or not. And here it is. So here now I have just now received this message. You can see, hello, we have received a new payment. The name is latest lead, payment is 500, and the details like email address and the city name. So now to summarize, we took Razorpay as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received the new payment and then we wanted to share that to our team on Google Chat Hangout. We took Google Chat Hangout as action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered all the required details, executed this workflow, and finally sent this message to my Google Chat Hangout. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between Razorpay and Google Chat Hangout using Pabbly Connect. I've attached the link of this workflow in the description so that you can check this out. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUBPC to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly purchase. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well, and if you have any doubts, you can comment on this video below. We will try to resolve it as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.